Now to our special series, Healthy You, sponsored by Independence Blue Cross. Getting a flu shot is one of the easiest and most effective ways to protect yourself and those around you from the flu. And joining me now is Dr. Rodrigo Cerda, Senior Vice President of Health Services and Chief Medical Officer for Independence Blue Cross. Dr. Cerda, thank you so much for joining us today on Philly Live.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah, so first let's start with the most important thing. Why is it so important to get the flu vaccine?
Yeah, so getting a flu vaccine is one of the most important ways to protect yourself, to protect your loved ones, and really to protect your community. When you get a flu vaccine, you're much less likely to get the flu, and if you do get the flu, it's going to be a lot less severe. And coming off of one of the most severe flu seasons in the last decades in 24, 25, I think it's particularly important to do that, given that a lot of people ended up in the hospital last year. We don't want that to happen again this season.
Who should get the flu shot?
Really, anybody over 6 months old should get the flu shot, but particularly if you have some higher risk factors as well.
Got it. Now talk about who is at higher risk for more serious flu complications.
Right. Well, just one thing to emphasize is that really everybody should get it. It's a way of, again, protecting yourself and the people around you. So you might have people who are higher risk around you. It's the youngest and the oldest. If you have a chronic condition like asthma, other lung diseases, heart disease, diabetes, if you're pregnant, or even a couple weeks postpartum, as well if you're immunosuppressed for a variety of reasons, whether it's that you're on treatment for cancer or you're taking drugs that suppress your immune system.
Now, what about people who may be worried about the side effects from getting the flu shot? What do you say to them?
Yeah, most people don't have side effects at all, and the few that do have mostly mild side effects, a little bit of soreness around the arm. But what I would say is it's important to have that conversation with your doctor, have them advise you in a more customized way to you, and they'll walk you through what potential side effects might be relevant.
Now, if you're an IBX member, how can you get a flu shot?
So if you're an IBX member, and really most people with insurance are going to be able to get a preventive vaccine like the flu vaccine at zero copay. You can go to a pharmacy, you can go to your doctor's office, you can get those shots at no cost to you.
All right. Well, Dr. Rodrigo Cerda from Independence Blue Cross, this was such helpful information. Thank you so much for being here today. And for more information about flu vaccines, visit ibx.com.